How to fix Claude verification code not received. Claude AI login problem. Are you trying to log into Claude AI, but the verification code is just not showing up in your inbox or on your phone? You are not alone, and this is actually one of the most commonly reported Claude login problems in 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you every fix for the Claude verification code not received issue so you can get logged in fast. The verification code problem can happen with both email codes and SMS phone codes, and the causes are slightly different for each. Let us go through all the fixes right now. Fix number 1. Check your spam, promotions, and junk folders. This is the most common reason email verification codes go missing. Many email services automatically classify automated security emails as spam or promotional mail. Open your email, check your spam folder, your promotions tab if you use Gmail, and any quarantine or filtered folders. The code is very likely sitting there waiting for you. Fix number 2. Make sure you entered the correct email address. Go back to the Claude login page and double check that the email address you typed is exactly right. Even a single character typo means the code was sent to the wrong address. Correct it and request a new code. Fix number 3. Wait before hitting resend. If you have already clicked resend once or twice, stop. Claude's system has a rate limit on how many verification codes it sends in a short window. Repeatedly clicking resend can actually lock you out of receiving codes temporarily. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes before trying again, and avoid clicking it more than twice in a row. Fix number 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Claude. If you enter the code correctly but the page just spins, goes white, or sends you back to the login screen again, the problem is usually a corrupted local session rather than a wrong code. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear site data specifically for Claude.ai, clear the cookies and cache, then reopen Claude and try logging in fresh. Fix number 5. Switch to Google account login. If your email verification codes are consistently not arriving, the fastest workaround is to log in using your Google account instead. On the Claude login page, click the Sign in with Google option. This bypasses the email code entirely and gets you in immediately. Once you are in, stick to one login method consistently going forward, because Claude ties your chat history and subscription status to that specific login identity. Fix number 6. Use a different browser or incognito mode. Browser extensions, particularly ad blockers and privacy tools, can sometimes interfere with the login flow. Try opening Claude in a private or incognito window which disables extensions by default and attempt the login again. Fix number 7. For phone SMS verification issues, restart your phone first. Restarting refreshes your phone's connection to nearby cell towers and resets the SMS gateway connection. Then wait a few minutes and request the code again. If your number is still not receiving codes, it may be because that phone number was previously used on another Claude account, which blocks it from being reused. In that case, try a different number or use email verification instead. Fix number 8. Submit to Anthropic's official verification bypass form. If phone verification is completely blocking you and none of the above fixes work, Anthropic has an official support form where you can submit your Claude account email address. According to Anthropic, most submissions are processed within a day. Make sure you enter the exact email you use to log into Claude to avoid any mismatch. Now here is your pro tip. To avoid running into the verification code problem repeatedly in the future, always use the same device and browser when logging into Claude. Keep your IP address stable by avoiding VPNs during login, and stick to one login method consistently, either always email or always Google. The more consistent your login behavior looks to Claude's security system, the less frequently it will trigger additional verification checks. So to recap, check your spam folder, verify your email address is correct, wait before resending, clear your browser cache, try Google Login as an alternative, restart your phone for SMS issues. And use Anthropic's official form if phone verification is completely blocked. If this video helped you get back into Claude, please hit the like button and subscribe for more guides like this one. And drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.